Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restore chat end-to-end encrypted data in Messenger. So first step you need to do is to open Messenger. Click on these three lines on the top left. Click on this gear icon. Scroll down, go into the privacy and safety. And here you need to click on end-to-end encrypted chats. Click on message storage. And here you can see that I already created a backup. So you need to create a backup here. Then you need to go back and scroll down. Click on this gear icon, scroll down, click on see more in account center, and here you can see your information and permission. So you simply need to click here, click on download your information and download or transfer information. So click here, select your account, click on next, specific type of information, and from here you need to select messages. May take longer to download, click on next, download to device, and click on create files. So here you can see that now your information is preparing, and once it is available you can easily download. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.